four type four type of method. Okay, to execute the method, it takes the four argument. The first argument is the action mapping. First argument is the action mapping. This object is represent of a action tag for this controller in the stock configuration file. माने हमर जो action class रे execute method अछि, तो execute method रे हमर first जो parameter टा रहइबो सेटा को आजिबो action mapping. So this object represent the action tag for the controller. मैं controller रे को work हबो तार tag से define करियो. तो लिखो action class contain in action class heading दे लिखो in action class it contain execute method. In action class it contain a execute method. This execute method contain four parameter. The execute method contain a four parameter. The first argument is action mapping. This object is a representation of the action tag. This object is representation of the action tag. Action tag for this controller in structs configuration file.
Rautere. This object is representation
of the action tag.
Again.
For this controller in struct configuration file. Next point, OG, second argument is action form. action form टा हमरा curriculum रे हम एटा continue करिवा नहीं माने नहीं एटा then third and fourth argument, next point, the third and fourth argument are the request and response object.
Are
The request and response object these objects are supplied by the web container. These objects are supplied by the web container
okay.
and can be used as in servlet do post method.
Servlet.
Do post method.
Hmm.
तापर next लिखा the return value of execute the return value of execute method is action forward. Action forward ର spelling ଟା ଏମିତି ଲେଖ ମାନେ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ execute କରିବା ତାର return value ଟା ଏମିତି ଆସିବ
Against.
Return the action forward object. So these objects are part of action mapping. These objects are part of action mapping. Action mapping object. Which is supplied by strokes. Then an action forward object is essentially a representation of the mapping between the symbolical name of a view and the views URL path. माने एठी हमें जेतेबेले गोटे पेज रो आ गोटे पेज को कनेक्ट करिवा से गोटे तार सिंबॉलिकल नेम पास करियो से हमको एक्चुअल को पेज से हमें कनेक्टेड करछे सेटा देखेबनी. Okay, so this mapping is declared in struct configuration file. As an action class developer, you need to use find mapping. You used to need find mapping. Find mapping. Find mapping. I mean, it use you used to find mapping method on the action forward object. जेमती हमें सेट एट्रिब्यूट यूज करथले एठी हमर यूज करा जियो फाइंड मैपिंग.
आगे
Find mapping method on the action forward object to retrieve the specific action forward object. That tells the action servlet. That tells the action servlet. Action servlet. That tells the action servlet which view to send to the user.
which
Action forward
Which
object which view to send to the user. एटा हला हमर struct जेमते हमें do get do post method यूज करू छे struct रे सेमते हमें execute method यूज करिवा. तो execute method रे चारटा पैरामीटर रहइबो. गोटे होची action माने फर्स्ट हमर रहइबो action mapping, action form. प्रथम होची action mapping, action form, http server request and http server response. in the do get do post method रे by default आगुर जेतरा में प्रोग्राम करथले सेतरा do get do post method रहितला. एटी सेमते हमर रहइबो execute method रे action mapping, action form, http server request and http server response.
okay.
Then after creating a struct application, then next work is configure the struct action mapping. माने को पेज को हमरा जीव means after your data is validated, then where it is moving to success page or to moving to the error page. So how you have to configure ताको हमें configure करेको पड़ियो. Okay, so heading there configuration the struct action mapping. Configure the struct action mapping. The first point होची configure the struct infrastructure controller. Configure the struct infrastructure controller. Configure the struct infrastructure controller.
आगे
Next is configure a servlet mapping. Configure a servlet mapping for the servlet controller. Configure the servlet mapping for the struct controller. तापरे कहूची configure the action mapping. Third point. Then next point is install the struct library file.
तो थर्ड पॉइंट कौन कहले कॉन्फ़िगर द
Action mapping.
आगे
तापरे install the struct library file. Last point. Install the struct library file. এটা ହେଲା ଆମେ configure the struct mapping. Okay, in the struct framework, there are different library files are present, but there is three important library files. One is structs.jar. Heading the struct library file. The three important library file. Structs.jar. Structs.jar. এটা লেখো. This is a primary struct framework library file. This is
कौन
a
लिखा
this is the primary structs framework library file. तापरे आ गोटे होची गोटे मिनिट commons स्क्रीन रे commons hyphen bin utils dot jar. Commons bin utils dot jar. This is a support library file used by the struct classes. It provides Java Beans architecture.
Sir, this is a support library file tapare
Used by the structs classes. Used by the structs classes. This library provides Java Beans architecture and reflection utilities. तापर आउ गोटे होची commons hyphen digester. Okay, commons hyphen digester dot jar. This is a support library file used by the struct classes.
used by the
Structs classes. It provide XML parsing utility. It provide XML parsing utilities. Okay. एटा पूरा थियोरी चलला तो काली आर प्रैक्टिकल सब देखेबी हला स्ट्रक्ट
okay.
ठीक अछि
Thank you, sir.